Click on the link below to get coupon. Welcome back. Today we're diving into something that's not just a gadget, but a game changer for your home energy needs, the OSCAL PowerMax 6000. Now let's set the scene. Imagine it's a bustling evening in your cozy home. You're preparing dinner, the kids are busy with homework, and the atmosphere is lively. Suddenly, out of nowhere, the lights flicker and then darkness. The fridge starts beeping ominously. Your kids are scrambling to finish their assignments, and the only thing illuminating your space are the candles you hastily grab. But wait, what if I told you that the OSCAL PowerMax 6000 is the hero you didn't know you needed? This power station is not just any ordinary device. It's equipped to handle power outages like a pro. With dual voltage capabilities, the OSCAL PowerMax 6000 delivers an impressive output of both 120V and 240V, packing a mighty punch with a whopping 6,000 watts of power. That's right, this powerhouse has a massive 3600W capacity, ensuring that your essential appliances, like the fridge, lights, and even your Wi-Fi, stay powered up and running smoothly, even when the grid fails. Now you might be wondering, how long does it take to charge this beast? Well, hold on to your hats, because it's super quick. The PowerMax 6000 can go from empty to full in just about 2 hours, thanks to its fast charging features. And here's an added bonus. You can even cut down on your energy bills by connecting optional solar panels. How cool is that? Now let's talk about versatility. What truly sets OSCAL apart from the competition is its incredible array of output options. Imagine having 14 output ports at your disposal. This includes 4 AC outputs for those larger devices like refrigerators or power tools, a handful of USB ports for charging your mobile devices, and even a dedicated car charger outlet. No more fighting over outlets in your home. Everyone can stay connected. In the unfortunate event of a power outage, the PowerMax 6000 has your back. It seamlessly switches to battery backup in a lightning-fast 5 to 8 milliseconds, which means your devices remain safe and fully operational. And for tech-savvy users, the OSCAL app allows you to monitor your power usage and control your power station right from your smartphone. Talk about convenience. The heart of the OSCAL PowerMax 6000 is its robust LiFePO4 battery. This isn't just any battery. It's designed for longevity, with an impressive lifespan of up to 25 years and approximately 3,500 charge cycles. When you invest in the OSCAL PowerMax 6000, you're not just purchasing a power station. You're securing a reliable energy source for many years to come. Your purchase includes the power station itself, solar panels, all necessary charging cables, an easy-to-follow user manual, and a 2-year warranty. What a deal! Now, let's pause for a moment and reflect. Have you ever faced a power outage? How did you cope with that unexpected interruption? Maybe you found yourself rummaging through drawers for candles or trying to keep your kids entertained in the dark. Wouldn't a portable power station like the OSCAL PowerMax 6000 have made that situation a lot easier? And just to ease any doubts, thousands of satisfied customers trust OSCAL, with the PowerMax 6000 boasting a perfect 5-star rating. You certainly don't want to be left in the dark when the next outage happens. So, don't let those power outages hold you back. Get your OSCAL PowerMax 6000 today and embrace the freedom of reliable energy, wherever and whenever you need it. Before we wrap things up, I want to hear from you. Share your experiences with power outages and how you think a device like the OSCAL PowerMax 6000 could change your approach to energy. We love hearing your thoughts. Until next time, stay connected, stay informed, and remember, the future of energy is truly in your hands. Click on the link below to get coupon.